Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to put some new downpipes on the Bandit. Some very cool Delkevic ones, which I ordered on Monday about 4 o'clock, and I got them yesterday at about 4 o'clock. Good service guys, well done, very happy. Yeah, I took all the wrapping off yesterday to have a look. All in little segments and everything. Got my instruction leaflet and guarantee and clips and gaskets and that sort of stuff. So stick around, stay tuned, and yeah, let's get modificationing. Right, so the first job is actually getting these bolts off under here off the downpipe. I have to undo these first, obviously, so I can move the radiator forward slightly. There's also a bolt behind there which I have to undo, and also the CO2 sensor, which you've got to remember you do that, otherwise you'll snap the wiring and you'll be in a world of hurt. And obviously take the silencer off. So yeah, let's get stripping down. Hey up guys, welcome back. Well, just finished the exhaust modification on the Bandit. Tell you what, it's an absolute ball ache trying to do this. These are the old pipes. Fucking heavy as anything, like. Yeah, the old pipes, they can put to storage. And these are the new ones. Do a quick sound check. Put me on there. Do a quick sound check for you. See what they sound like. I've yet to hear these. I've not heard these yet, so might sound different, might not. Soon find out. Give me a second. Definitely sound a bit different. There you go. I shouldn't have done that because that's exhaust putty paste, whatever you want to call it. Oh, shit gets everywhere. It can look like it can stick to everything. But yeah, very pleased with that. They sound hot already. They smell hot already, actually. Yeah, I'll give that about 6 hours to cure. Give them a few hours. I'll start up again for you about dinner time, because I need to get fuel anyway, so yeah, hopefully by then it'll be alright. But yeah, they sound fucking mint. One job well done, I must say. Very pleased with that. Yeah, thank you for watching my channel today with the project done on the Bandit. See you next time.